Hey y'all, it's Nila again. Today I will be unboxing my Borghese product package. I do not know what's in this box. I got this in the mail to me. I have no clue what's in it. So I'm about to go through it with y'all and see what type of goodies is in here. Okay, so background story. My mom has always told me about Borghese. So, you know, one day we was in the store and I seen a few of their products and she was like, you should give it a try. So I just been using their stuff ever since. And that was like, I would say probably like the beginning of this year actually when I started using it. My mom always used it, but I never really used Borghese. So the products are amazing. Like when I use the exfoliant scrub, speaking of that one, like my skin got completely clear within like 2 days. Like it kind of cleared up. So I was like, yeah, this stuff is where the money's at. So I'm so excited that they sent me something in the mail. Like y'all don't know how hype I am and how grateful I am for this. Like I cannot wait to see what's in this box. So I'm gonna show y'all the box. Alright y'all, so this is the box. Let me make sure I ain't showing my little P.O. box on here. Alright, so it came in this jumbo huge box. Let's open it up. This is the only part I've done so far is open it up. Okay. Make sure this is everything. Got this little crinkly stuff in here. And it's blue. Don't y'all know my name means blue? Fun fact. You know, because I'm named after the Nile River. So Nila is on the card. Y'all see that? It says my name. I'm so excited. Alright, let's open up the card. It says, hey Nila, enjoyed this little self-care package. Can't wait to hear what you think. XOXO, Borghese team. So beautiful. Shamelessly Borghese. Okay, put that over there. So nice. Good day start with gratitude journal. So they sent me a journal too. This is so thoughtful. And a pen. Thank you so much. Let's read a piece of it. It says gratitude. The feeling of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness. True. Always show gratitude, even when times get hard, you know. Always got to remember, you know, to keep that and to live by that and just being thankful and grateful that things are the way they are, you know, and I guess, you know, knowing that things happen for a reason sometimes. Then I have this facial brush. This might be a hint. This right here might be a hint to what's in the actual gift box. Because I've been looking at this gift box and I just want to tear this thing up. Like, I'm so excited. Let me get this facial brush out of here for y'all so I can show y'all this. So this is the facial brush. And it has a silicone tip at this end and then like a brush at this end. So this is gonna be really fun applying my facials on here. I'm gonna do a tutorial for y'all, definitely with the facials. Y'all already know I got y'all. Gonna do a review if it's something in here regarding towards facials. I feel like this is a hint, but that's just me. Okay, and for the grand finale, my Borghese box. Look at how beautiful this packaging is though. Like, before I even open anything, look at this. It has the white satin ribbon, the box with the lid on it, and then, oh, see, look, another hint. Out for mud. So I'm thinking it might be a mud mask. I don't know, something along that line. I'm not gonna look at this because I think this is like what's telling me what's in here. All right, let's open it up. Okay. The front of the box. Borghese. I love this. Ooh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look. It's different colors too. Okay. So I'm thinking, oh, it's instructions in here too in the box, I think. Yep, it is. So it is a face mask. Look, it comes with instructions too. This is so nice and well packaged. Like, this is so luxurious. I love this. And it tells you about each facial. Okay, so this is the green one that's in here. This is very nice packaging. Look at that packaging. That is just gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Mud for face and body. Advanced Fango Active. Mud for face and body. Okay, this one is Advanced Fango Active. So it says, if your skin is clogged and oily, use Advanced Fango Active. This formulation purifies, exfoliates, and helps minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines. So definitely, I have oily skin. I don't know about y'all, so I'm definitely going to be using this green one. Let's see what else is in here. This one is the light blue one. Mud for delicate dry skin. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. If your skin is dry and flaky, use Advanced Fango Delcato for intense moisturization. While addressing signs of premature aging, it gently cleanses and purifies, leaving the most fragile, delicate skin enriched and refreshed. So I'm definitely thinking that this will be good for sensitive skin. Like, if you have someone that you feel like you don't really want to put too much of anything on them because you don't know how they might react. Like, they have bad, you know, reactions to products sometimes. So this is like a real good option for sensitive skin. See, it's funny, like, with me working in the beauty industry, so it's like I could get packages like this and like talk about it like this, even though this is like a total surprise. And like, I cannot believe, like, this is so, I love this. But I'm sitting here talking about this like I've been like knew about it, which is funny to me for some reason. This one is Fango Ripartivo. I believe I said that correctly. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment selection. I mean, in the comment section. I said selection. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. And yeah, but I think it says Fango Ripartivo. And this is for if your skin is irritated and cranky. Use Fango Ripartivo. It helps to relieve dry skin while purifying and helping to minimize pores. Meant to calm, soothe, and repair skin. It's like a renewal. Like, this is so nice how everything is different, you know. Like, you could probably do different spots on your face, like the green one right here, or like the dark blue one on your nose or something. Like, it's so many things I'm thinking that I can do with it. And I'm gonna open up one of these too, so we can see like what they look like. So this one is Fango Uniforme, and this one says, if your skin is dull and uneven, use Fango Uniforme. Helps boost brightening skin and even skin tone. It also increases elasticity for supple tone and texture. So this is pretty neat. And like, it even says like the key ingredients in each facial. So when I do the facials, I like should describe more about what the ingredients. This one has like coffee seed extract and caffeine, kaolin clay to purify, and sapphire oil to soften and smooth. So this is pretty neat. Let's see what it looks like. Let's open this. I'm thinking, because from this picture, I'm thinking all of them have kind of like the same packaging. So I think we'll be good with just opening up one. Comes with instructions. Has the logo in the box too. Look at that. That is so nice. It's like the logo stamped in the box as well. Here it is. Very, very nice. Little lid. Ooh. This one's dark. Open and drop the lid part. It ain't get on nothing though. It's the inside of it. Smells really good. Let's touch it. Very smooth. It's very, very smooth. Well, I don't gotta pay to go to the spa. Got the spa at the house. For real now. I'm gonna invite like some friends over and do facials. Wish I could do stuff like that. That would be so much fun. Okay. Now let's see if there's anything else in here. In the box. Well, hold on, let me check this. Okay. Let's see if there's anything else in the box though. Because I think it's something else in here. I'm about to take these out. Ooh. More little stuffing. Remember, the first stuffing was blue. Look at this. A bag to keep it all in. This is so nice. Look, I might end up using this as a purse, because you know I could go to the beach with this. It's very, very spacious too. Pink in the inside. Y'all know pink is my color. I love this so much. That is so nice. I really cannot wait to do a facial video for y'all with these products. Like, I cannot wait. I love this. I just want to say thank you so much, Borghese, for this. I love this. I love these products, and I can't wait to, you know, do my own little spa day. Do my own little spa day. Do my face, my body. It's gonna be very relaxing. And yeah. So I'm gonna put more information about the products that I have in this package in the description below. Make sure y'all comment which facial y'all think y'all need, and stay tuned for my next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, And thank you so much for watching. And I'm out. It's Nila, baby. I love all of y'all. Stay beautiful, stay sexy. It's Nila, baby, and I'm signing out. See you in my next video.